Steffen, could you please elaborate on how Dish aligns with the Metro sCORE strategy in transforming the HoReCa industry?
I mean, Dish, and I would say the Dish family plays a pivotal role in the strategy. If you recall the strategic visual of the 3 channels, Dish is exactly in the heart, in the center of it. And why is that? There's mainly 2 reasons. Number 1, it adds great value to our customers because it's easing their processes. So digitalization of gastronomy is a big thing in the moment. You know all the shortage of labor that is apparently hitting our customers. So Dish can really provide an efficiency gain for our customers. So it's adding great value to the customers. And it's also adding great value to us as a company because we know if customers are using Dish products, they will buy more tomatoes, they will buy more beef, they will buy more fish at the end. And we have a great possibility to interlink Dish as a product with the offerings that we do have on the product side. So you buy or you purchase a Dish POS system from Metro, and at the end you are getting a subsidy that you are paying off with your food and your fruit and veg and your fish and your beef purchases. I guess that's a great thing that nobody can provide, so that's why it's in the heart of our multi-channel strategy.
In what ways does Dish Digital Solutions address the specific challenges faced by HoReCa businesses, and how does it contribute to the sector's growth?
I mean, we do see a great need at the customer side to look at process costs, to look at efficiency, to look at also a way how you can efficiently integrate new workforce. And I think everything that eases that process, if you have a self-explanatory software where you can operate all the processes in a digitalized, very efficient way, and that's quite easy adaptable for everyone who is joining the gastronomy sector, I guess that's adding great value for the company, adding efficiency, and that's exactly what the industry needs. So that's why we are, I think, a little bit at the heart of where our customers are in this very moment.
Could you share your perspective on the broader importance of digitization in the HoReCa industry and how Dish Solutions are positioned to be a driving force in this transformation?
Of course, there will be more in terms of innovation, technology, let's put it in a wider scope, than what we are doing with Dish. Yeah? You look at robotics, you look at a lot of innovations that are going on. I think that's going to be a mega trend in the gastronomy anyway. Dish per se, at the end, as I just have described, it really can add something, especially on the processes that are done from reservation to payment to the entire interaction between the waiter and the guest. So that's something that it really can add on top of that. And I think from that point of view, we can really add value because number 1, we can leverage our brand as Metro and our I would say sales power that we do have with all our customer contact, and then really develop a leading edge system. And we just started, right? I mean, at the end, when you look at the future, there's a lot of things to do that we can improve. We have a lot of ideas that are coming up, so we can use the distribution power plus the innovation that we are creating to really drive that topic forward.
The latest digital solution is the point of sale system Dish POS. What are the greatest advantages for a restaurant owner, and what is the USP of this specific offer from Dish by Metro?
So my sentence to that is always you do 20% more with 20% less. So you have, number 1, a great option to upsell. That's the 20% more because you have next product to buy, also brought to your people in the restaurant so that they can offer guests, the product that suits perfectly to the coffee and so on and so forth, right? So that's number 1, that's the 20% more, and the 20% less is the capacity. So you can really cut out processes that are sort of inefficient depending on the type of restaurant. You can do the ordering online, you can do the payment automatized, so that's great adding the efficiency to it, and that's why you can do 20% more with 20% less.